This is 413, it's Australia Oceania Channel, and the main item on the radar is ex-tropical cyclone Esther, and is about to make a return to the Northern Territory. The Bureau of Meteorology, WA, Northern Territory, continue to have in place severe weather warnings, and we start off with the Northern Territory for damaging winds, heavy rainfall, becoming wet and windy as the ex-cyclone makes a return to the Northern Territory. Currently located over the western Kimberley region, is starting to move back east towards central districts of the Northern Territory, and it's expected to move into the northern Tanami district overnight Monday or early Tuesday morning. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour are likely to start developing across the northwestern Tanami district from late Monday afternoon. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding may develop from late Monday afternoon over the northwestern Tanami district. A flood watch remains in place for the Tanami Desert, Central Desert and the MacDonnell Ranges. At this point in time, locations which could be affected: Rapid Flat, Supplejack Downs and the Granites. A flood watch is also in place, or they've actually finalised the flood watch for the Bonaparte and northwest coastal withers, but that should be updated later on today. Bureau of Meteorology Perth has issued another severe weather warning for damaging winds. This is in place for parts of the lower west districts. Damaging wind gusts possible about the Perth Hills this morning. Strong high pressure system developing to the south of the state expected to cause damaging winds to 90 kilometres an hour, which could result in damage to homes and property. Winds will be strongest until around 8 a.m. local time Monday morning, and this weather is not typical for this time of year, and winds may cause damage to property and make road conditions hazardous. A wind gust of 94 kilometres an hour was recorded at Bickley at about 10 to 3 this morning. And the rainfall that's being generated by the deep tropical low continues, and we have a look at the GFS model. It's the precipitation from 10 a.m. through to at least 2200 hours tomorrow. Now, what's going on in the capital cities? 23.3 Sydney, 15.1 Melbourne, 24.2 Brisbane, 16.1 Perth, 14.6 Adelaide, 11.2 down there in Hobart, 18.1 Canberra, 27.8 in Darwin. Now we have a look at the instability. Maximum temperatures for the capital cities. Expected 36 Sydney, hot one. 18 Melbourne, 33 here in Brisbane, 29 Perth, 23 Adelaide, 17 Hobart, 32 Canberra, 33 in Darwin. Gusty afternoon cool change. Sydney, morning showers. Melbourne, sunny. Brisbane, also Perth, partly cloudy. In Adelaide, morning rain. Hobart, mostly sunny. In the Australian Capital Territory, Canberra, and shower or two possible storms up in the Northern Territory. The winds at the 850 millibars level, and you can clearly see the outgoing ex-tropical cyclone. Central pressure at one Bureau of Meteorology weather station down around 996 millibars. There's a gale warning in place for the Eden Coast, New South Wales. Strong wind warning. The Sydney Coast warners, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra and Bateman's Coast. Minor to flood warning for a couple of rivers in New South Wales. Initial minor to a moderate flood warning remains for the Warrego River. And here's some more information. Ex-tropical cyclone 18.2 degrees south, 125.7 degrees east. A tropical depression. Troy Typhoon Warning Centre has finalised their position on the system. And winds are 30 knots, minimum central pressure 996, moving southeast, and it's stage 2 on the Force 13 CDPS scale, and that relates to the rain. Here's the Bureau's latest rainfall outlook. Across the forecast period, and look at that area in dark green. And probably on the weekend, Victoria, possibly up to Queensland, could feel the effects of the ex-tropical system. And there's still quite a bit of information that we can bring to you, so stay tuned for another update and enjoy today.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.